Number 24, no good.
Number 12. Wag po kayo mahiyan tumawag ng foul, basta may foul.
Nathan to Marky Miles to Pascual. Pascual, ang ganda. To Mark. 10 seconds to shoot. Babe, no good. Rebound. Nathan, ang ganda. 2 points by Nathan. Score 0-2.
Wow! Nice shot! Score all two.
Pascual. Prepare side ni Pascual. Nice turnaround. Naipit. Extra pass. Paulo to Mark. 2. Ang ganda. Good. Good.
Sayang. Number 10. Side step is good. Nadaan sa Euro step. Score 4-2 lang mga solo joiners.
Babe. Pinasa kay Marky. Marky. Nagdadalawang isip to Pascual. Pascual. Rebound by Nathan. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Mark. No good. Okay, fresh 14. Ang ganda naman ng cut na yun. Hindi lang nako-convert. 5 seconds.
Number 2. Okay, foul daw, foul. Reaching foul. Wala pong tatawag dyan, kundi kayo. Good po, wala po tayong first ball.
Pascual, ang ganda. Oy! Ang ganda na nung ano eh.
Number 10. To number 2. Number 2. Nicely by Nathan. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 12. No good.
Rebound by Mark. Nice teardrop by Mark. Score all 4.
Oh, good pa. Hindi munti ka ng ma-backward violation. Okay, good good.
2 points by Bay. Score 4-6.
Lamang ang Team Marky ng dalawa, ha? Team Marky. To Andy. Andy 3. Lamang na ang solo joiners ng 3.
Ay, nang isa lang pala. Sorry. Number 4, Nathan. To Mark. To Miles. Marky malayo. Time remaining 4 minutes 5 seconds first half.
Number 2, pinasa kay number 0. Ang ganda naman ng behind the back na yun. Na-convert in number 10.
Score 9-6. Pascual. To Marky. To Nathan. Nathan. Nawawala ang bola. Nice steal.
Andy. Unselfish, number 10, easy 2. Score 11-6.
5 ang hinahabol ng Team Marky. Nathan to make. Ten seconds. Ang ganda. Ay, shot.
11-8.
Steal by Mark. Good po yan ang number 24, Mark. Oy, sayang. Okay, Mark, 2 points. Score 11-10.
Andy. Iniipit. Ang ganda ng pasa to number 10. Number 10. Pinasa kay number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Nice D. 5 seconds. Okay, good.
Bait. Ang ganda na iwan ni Bait. Blanca, same ball. Same ball. 2 minutes, 14 seconds, 14 to shoot. Bait, no good.
Number 10. Ang ganda ng ikot. Number 10, 2 points. Score 13-10.
Lamang ng tatlo ang Team Solo Joiners. Jason. Pinasa kay Marky. Marky. Naipit. 10 seconds to shoot. Nathan. No good.
Andy, easy 2. Score 15-10. Mukhang maganda ang chemistry ng Solo Joiners.
Marky. 1 minute, 10 seconds.
Andy to number 10, easy 2. 17-10.
Last 1 minute. 55 seconds remaining. 16 to shoot. Foul. 46 seconds. 14 to shoot. Seconds, 14 to shoot. Walang umakat sa gitna at walang extra pass. Bait. Sayang. Same ball. Last touch by number 10. 32 seconds, 14 to shoot. Bait, 2 points. 26 seconds, 26 seconds. Last 20 seconds. 14 seconds. Andy, no good. 8.3 seconds. 8.3 seconds. Bait. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay, counted. Score 17-14. Bola ng Solo Joiners.
Pa, bawi tayo.
Tatlo inahabol nyo, Marky. Mukhang busy ah.
Lamig.
Magpainit at nagpainit ka muna.
Ano yan? Ano ba yung luto yun?
Okay ha, paalala ko lang sa Solo Joiners na may dalawa kayong timeout ha. Sa last 1 minute ng quarter na to, last ng foul, may free throw. Okay, back to the ball game. Score 17-14. Bola nila, pre. Andy. 10 seconds. Okay, steal by Bait.
Bait, nagmamadali. Bait. No good. Isa pa. Okay, foul muna daw. Reaching foul. Marky. To Bait. Bait. Kinakapos.
Nakuha ni number 10. Number 10. Ang ganda ng ikot. Number 10. Wala. Sayang. Rebound by Mark.
Marky Pumate. Marky Mouse. last 3. Score all 17. Mukhang natanggal na yung lamig sa pulso. Time remaining 6 minutes 12 seconds. Number 2. Pinasa kay Andy, number 8, 3. Score 17-20. Bay, pinasa kay Marky Miles, wala, nakuha ni Andy,
Number 8. Ipapasa pa ba? Ang pinasa ka. Naipit. Number 10. Number 10. Wala. Rebound by Pascual.
Mark dribbling the ball, pinasa kay number 13, binalik kay number 24 to 13, ang ganda, Nathan. Okay. Time remaining 5 minutes 10 seconds, 14 to shoot. 10 seconds. 6 seconds, Bate. Rebound by Pascual. Nakuha pa ni Bate. Okay, foul down, reaching. Pascual. Oy, nawala.
Number 10. Good po yan. 2 points by number 10. Score 17-22.
Number 9 to Pascual. Mark, no good. Nakuha ni number 10. Nawala.
Nice lead by Wade. Traveling violation.
Boss, gumalaw na yung isang pae. Yung last, pre. Nadrag na kasi eh. Nadrag na siya kahit maliit lang. Okay, no good. Rebound by number 10.
Number 10, 2 points. Score 17-24. Velasco setting the play. 16 seconds to shoot. To number 2. Three minutes, 18 seconds. Nice pass. 17-26. Time remaining last 3 minutes.
Kaya-kaya yan ha. Gana lang sa depensa. Number 24, Mark. Pinasa kay Nathan. To Pascual. To Bay. 2 points by Bay. 19-26.
2 minutes, 30 seconds. Andy. 14 seconds to shoot. Ang lakas, kita-kita, rebound by Mark. Number 4.
Sayang, derecho.
Okay yan, good.
Pascual, mukhang i-court to court. Pinasa Bay. 2 points. 21-26. Last 2 minutes.
Okay, time out. Team Solo Joiners. Hindi, kanila naman eh. Kanilang bola naman yun eh. Kaya pwede yun. Ano yun? Oo. 1 minute 53. Oh. Pag di ko kasi napansin, pure na tawag kayo. 1 minute 53 seconds. Okay, game ha? 1 minute 53 seconds. Bola nila, pre. Nag-time out sila. Isa na lang po time out ng solo joiners ha. Wala tayong first ball. Ten seconds to shoot. Andy, no good rebound by Nathan. Nathan na ipit. 1 minute 30 seconds. 5 lang yan ang kayang-kaya yan. 14 seconds to shoot. Okay, labas muna. Fall down. Labas. Wala pang free throw. 1 minute 19 seconds. Wow! 21-28. 1 minute 10 seconds. Oy! Sayang. Last 55 seconds, lahat ng foul may free throw na. 48 seconds.
Wala na pa eh.
42 seconds. Okay, labas muna daw, labas. Amin na lang po tayo ha. Oops. Palabas na lang. 39 seconds ha, 39 seconds. 39 seconds. 3, 24, 28, last 35. Last 29 seconds, no good. Okay, good. Last 23 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Counted. 8 seconds. Okay. Score 24-30. Kaya-kayang habulin yan.
Ano na?
Fred, Andy, diretso kayo. Kalaban niyo sila. Panalo sa panalo ngayon. 1 minute break lang ha, para dun sa ano.